What's good, y'all? It's your boy Money Mo back with another one, man. And today, as y'all can see, we got recent to cut with another video. This one is titled "My Student Made 10K Using My Strategy." His testimony. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub, hype up the video so it pops up on more home pages. Without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is.
Oh yeah, businessman
Man, what's good,
Reese.
YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. As y'all can see by the title of the video, man, we got a special video for y'all today. You guys been saying you wanted some new content, so I just thought, why not be the perfect time to bring on one of my students, because he just now finally surpassed $10,000 from digital marketing. So I wanted to bring
Oh
him on here
yeah.
to give his testimony. Tell a little bit more about digital marketing, you know what I'm saying? Just to have you guys be more relatable, right? Because, man, I'm not going to lie, y'all. I'm so proud of this dude. He done came a long way. Like, when I tell y'all, one of the most, not going to lie, one of the most undisciplined persons I know. You know what I'm saying? We went to high school together, you know what I'm saying? All that type of stuff. We from the same city. So, man, when I tell you guys, like, if this guy can do it, bro, any of you guys can do it. So
Okay
that's why
then.
I really brought him on
That's
today to give you guys
motivational.
some motivation. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So if you are struggling to make some extra cash
Motivational
on
for
the side of your
sure.
9 to 5 job, like that, and definitely where they can find you, because they gonna want to find you, my nigga. So go ahead. All right, bet. Well, for starters, my name is Trey. I'm from Peoria, Illinois, born and raised. I'm a digital marketer. You can go find me on YouTube at Trey Scales, where I'll be posting my first video. I haven't posted yet, but I'll post my first video about how I got into digital marketing.
Okay.
And also, you can go find me on IG at i.trey_in the cut. Dude, guess how much in the cut, where I'll be posting my link to go get my PDF, where you can find how I learn high income skills, etc. Yeah, so also, man, like, tell them a little bit about, like, your background and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, basically, like, why you want to get into digital marketing. Because I know you've been seeing me do it for a little minute and everything. Like, I know, like, a lot of people on the internet, they still don't understand. Like, when they hear the word digital marketing, it seems like a big word. It seems complicated. It seems like it's only for people who do it, like, from rich places and everything. So just tell them a little bit about your background. All right, so about my background and why I wanted to get into digital marketing personally was, like, the 9 to 5 world, it really isn't like for me. I have a hard time waking up in the morning, being at work on time. With this stuff, you could really make up your own time and do business how you want to do it, etc. You're not working for another
Exactly.
person or living paycheck to paycheck. That's really the hardest struggle too, though. With a 9 to 5, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Get paid 1 week, you gotta spend all on one thing, whatever you need. But with this high income skill based type marketing skills and all that, you can really, like, balance your money wisely and better. And I think that's why I try to tell a lot of people, like, one digital product can pay you over time. And I think that's the best thing about digital marketing, because, like, ain't nothing wrong with the 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying? We use the 9 to 5 to fund, stuff like these, but it's like it becomes remote income, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to make it while you at an establishment, while you at a job or anything like that.
And honestly, bro, that's like one of the things that interests me most when it comes to making money. Like being able to make it online from a laptop or phone. Not even that I don't have to talk. That's already another big crazy factor. But just being able to make it from my phone at home is something that motivates me to. I just know, like, it, the fact that I'm so interested in it is how I know I'm gonna be able to do something good in this field one day. Drop that digital product, and it's just like it just can sell. All you gotta do is just keep using your content, you know what I'm saying, to keep doing it. So, like, I think that's the biggest thing that I try to tell, my subscribers and my people, right? And that's the biggest thing. Like, when we first got started, we talked about this, kind of getting out of that 9 to 5 mindset. So that's what, like, kind of lead me to my next question. So what really made you want to get into digital marketing? Besides seeing me doing it, but that's the thing. Digital marketing is just not one of the type of things that you just get up and be like, oh, I just want to do digital marketing. I want to be a digital marketer. So besides me, what really made you want to do it? Honestly, it was the feeling that it was value over time. Like, how my product sold, it was like it was valuable. So I needed it rather than me waking up having to, like,
work alone 8 hours.
But how are you selling the product? Like, can we skip to the nitty gritty, bro? How are you selling the product without a large following?
Or shift and get it. Like, I made my first
trade time for money, right?
Trading time for money. Basically, like making a paycheck in one day instead of going to work 8 hours. Made $120 just off the wake up.
Right. That's you know what I'm saying. Like, you know, you just sell that one product over time, right? So like, kind of talk about like the nine like your 9 to 5 journey. You know what I'm saying? You know, basically, you know, comparing it to, you know, digital products in the 9 to 5, because that's the thing on the channel we talk about a lot. We talk about the 9 to 5 and kind of funding it. So how did that kind of look like for you? How did you kind of like use your 9 to 5 money to kind of like just fund your process?
Basically, we both know I used to work 12, 16-hour shifts and stuff. And I really was putting all my focus on going to work when really I didn't know I could make money for my value over my time. So instead of, I reinvested that money into my time. So all the money I made from my 9 to 5, I reinvested for my time and started focusing on my skill, my marketing skills and stuff, where I learned that I could just make $10, $15 like sitting on the couch.
and that's the thing. So how much did it actually take you to invest into this business?
$0. It don't take anything. It just take really your time.
Yeah, that's really it. That's why I try to tell them that all the time. Like, a lot of people ask me, man, how do you get into digital marketing? Like, how much do you need to invest? And I tell them all the time, bro, it takes $0 to invest, because all you are doing is just reselling knowledge. Exactly. And that's really it. You know what I'm saying? You are literally taking your brain. Your brain is free. You're literally taking the knowledge from your brain and you just putting it back on the internet, right? So that's what kind of lead me to my next question. So before you actually knew what digital marketing was, 'cause a lot of people, they still don't know what digital marketing is. What did you think it was before you actually learned it?
I really thought you had to go to school for that type of stuff. Like, you see all the successful people doing digital marketing, like all that type of stuff, and you think, I can't do that. I'm here, like I'm all the way back here. They're on a whole nother level than me. But really, it's
simple.
Yeah, it's simple.
It's really self-explanatory, right? You literally just using the internet to promote whatever you're trying to sell, or to get clicks or conversions or anything like that. Like, it's so simple.
Yeah. But are we talking about on TikTok? Are we on YouTube? Are we on Instagram? Are we on Pinterest? Are we on everything? Like, let's get into the nitty gritty, the real stuff.
Everybody make it seem like so big and stuff. Like, tell you at school, they tell you got to go to college in order to be successful. When really, I asked my husband. I haven't set foot on the college campus at all.
Yeah, that's what I try to tell them all the time. Like, the stuff like this business model, bro, you don't need any school. You don't need any, like, bro, literally, a squirrel could figure this out. Like, literally, it's that easy. Like, all you got to do is just take your brain and just resurfacing your brain around the internet.
Pretty much.
Okay, so that's the thing. We only been doing this I've only been coaching you for about 3 months on this, right? So how long did it actually take you to learn, everything?
Well, for starters, it really took me to, like, believe in myself to actually do it. And then after that, probably about a month, once I got the concept
down. That's not bad. About a month, that's not bad at all.
But it took believing in myself that I could actually do it and stuff. Like, at first I was scared. I didn't want to replace this type of work with my 9 to 5. I didn't think I was going to make any money.
Oh yeah. Matter of fact, too. Just show him that we not capping. Go ahead and show him show him the sales. Like he already been selling. Like, literally, like, took you about a month when you dropped your product. We don't cap over here. We show numbers, proven results, man. Yeah, y'all.
Okay, those is the Stripe payments, but
I'll see all that, man.
How do I know that's 10K though? Hold on.
And that's only what
slow it down, boy.
We show the number.
All right, I couldn't see it, but it look like he's selling something for like $20. That looks like a $18.99 if I'm not mistaken. But
results,
yeah,
man.
You can see he's got the Stripe payments. But I don't know. All right, so he uses Stripe for his product, to sell his product, but where's he advertising on?
Hey, y'all see all that? Man? Telling you, y'all.
And that's only about a month.
That's only about a month. You dropped that last month.
Yeah, it wasn't even no real work put into it. I just posted it, and people clicked on it, bought it. I basically explained how the key to learning any high income skill.
Yeah, and you guys can also go find that in the link in the description as well. You guys can go tap in on his Instagram. See, that's the thing as well. See, and he hasn't even started his YouTube journey yet. And that's like, I feel like the YouTube part, that's like the foundation of it. You know, you just been doing it from Instagram, TikTok, and just like Snapchat, just simple things like that. So that's the thing, once we get you on YouTube.
Okay, so he's using Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. I don't know if he's just sending the digital product out to his friends and people he knows or what. But probably, most likely not. You know how people get. You know how people you're supposed to be close with get when you're trying to sell something. But you feel me? He's probably for sure selling on like advertising it on other accounts that's not linked to him.
Oh my God, the sky's gonna be limitless, bro. You might end up making 6 figures before this year even ends. I'm not gonna lie, because man, like YouTube, it's a business. YouTube is the most lucrative business, and the fact that you've already been making progress and success, I'm saying, like, I'm proud of this guy, man. Like, literally, y'all, I'm telling you, if this guy can do it right here, any of you guys can do it, because, bro, like, for real, just tell him like some of the struggles that you first struggled with, like when you first started this, bro, like before you even started. Just tell him some of the struggles, man.
So basically, my struggle was like putting all my time, focus, energy into like women, other things. I was just unable to like really focus on the main objective, which was trying to focus and make a product, etc.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think, like, what was your biggest struggle, like, when you first started, like, at the beginning, like, right at the beginning, like, even though, like, you were literally at the beginning still, but, like, the first couple of days, like, what do you think the toughest thing that you faced?
Probably I don't know. I just really thought it was a scam, honestly. Like, I just seen, like, well, we had this guy right here. He telling me, like, you can do this. I do it, blah, blah, blah. But it's like he already does this type of stuff already. So I was just seeing him doing it already. I'm like, okay, that's for him. I felt like it wasn't my lane. Like, it was something I couldn't accomplish.
So the real question is, like, when you made this money, like when you first made, because, you know, $10,000, like, it might not be a lot to some people, but $10,000, that's life-changing money to some people. So
10 is good money,
that shit, bro?
Honestly, I just fixed my credit. Like, I had a bad credit report on my.
Oh, so you was in debt?
Yeah, I got my car took like when I was younger, around like 18, 19. Wasn't able to like really get it out. It would just put a bad report on my credit, so I was able to, change that up.
Okay.
Now that I'm more financially stable.
Right, that's good. So you got yourself out of debt. So you would say, like, this is something that you kind of actually needed, like, for real. So, like, so you would say,
definitely.
So you would definitely put that in the, why you started digital marketing. Besides the love of it, say you wouldn't change your life. Like, this is something that you actually kind of needed, and that's good, bro. And a lot of people, you guys don't like realize, like, man, it's literally all it takes is one decision just to change your life. Like, this one decision, like, help you change your life and help you to get out of debt, because debt is, it's something that it's over you for a long time until you get it done. So this is something that I think that's good, bro. That's a great, smart purchase. A lot of people, bro, besides they would have had debt, they would have bought another car, another chain, or a watch or something like that. So, I'm proud of you for that purchase, bro. So that leads me to my next question, man. So what you feel like the key is to becoming a successful digital marketer? Like, what you think, the steps that you need? Like, what's everything you need to be a successful digital marketer?
Social media and value. It's about 1 billion people all around the world, millions on social media. You just need to be able to promote. Without social media, no one's going to know who you are. You can't just walk up to somebody on the street and, hey, buy this.
Right, exactly. That's crazy, right?
It is, definitely. So you need to be able to promote through social media. It don't matter what form of content, just make sure you get it out there. The views, the numbers don't really have to be that much. You just have to have somebody.
And that's the thing, bro. Tell them how many followers you got on Instagram.
That's the sound of an American oil company hard at work.
Got on Instagram.
About 2,000.
2,000. He only got 2,000 followers on Instagram. See, a lot of people
Which
like
is
when they
still a
be
little
trying to get into this
something.
stuff,
I'm
like,
not
oh,
gonna lie.
I don't have a big platform as you do. I don't have much engagement, bro. You don't need that many followers. You don't need, like, literally. TikTok will push your videos. Like, I've seen people with, like, I've seen digital marketers with like 400 followers on TikTok. Like, you don't need a big fan base. Just make sure, like, you actually getting the content out and just making sure that it's valuable. The money gonna follow you.
Exactly.
As long as you do what you need to do, the money gonna follow.
Most importantly, you gotta believe in yourself. Without belief in yourself, no one else is gonna believe in you. So if
Exactly.
if you don't believe in yourself, then if I don't believe in myself, I can expect him to believe in me.
Exactly.
And he's not going to buy none of my contents, but man, this shit's garbage. So if I think it's garbage,
Exactly.
So
bro.
you gotta have belief in yourself. Use social media to your best abilities. Push it out there.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to necessarily say, "Hey, buy this, buy this." Just put it out there.
All right, y'all. So, man, before we wrap up the video, man, look, I know you got some motivation out there for the people or anything like that. So, go ahead, give the people some inspiration, or anybody who's struggling to feel like they want to get to making money online, but they don't know what to do. So, yeah, just go ahead and give them some advice.
Basically, I'm just gonna say, I know I said this a million times already throughout the video. You just gotta believe in yourself, trust the process.
Stand down, bro. Stand down with it.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, it's not gonna happen overnight. You're not gonna just wake up and be a six-figure type of guy or a millionaire.
Yeah, right.
You gotta be able to live with the downfalls, ups and downs to it. One day you might wake up, might not make anything.
Mm-hmm.
Next day might make the highest like you made in weeks. It's just like it's all about your value. It's all about your dedication, the time that you put into it.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. Yep, I say that all the time on the channel. Like, you can't complain about the results from the work that you never put in. So you can't complain like, oh, I only made $10 a day. You didn't put in no work. You didn't get no content out. You didn't push it. You didn't do anything. So that's really it, bro. It's just really about this entire video, bro. It's just choosing your time right. If you put your time into whatever you want to do, it could be any high income skill. And also, man, tell them, man, where they can find your digital product at, man. Let them know where they can cop for what is it?
I'm finna go do my research on it.
Blueprint.
It's the key to learning any high income skill, no matter what it is. You can learn any high income skill on my Instagram. Just clicking the link down below. Pretty much just cop.
It's also gonna be in the link in the description here too. We'll make sure that we get you right, man. We're gonna make sure we get you pushed out there. Make sure that everybody, anybody that want to cop. But I seen the blueprint myself, and one thing I want to say, I'm proud of you, my nigga. That's just from me to you, bro. I see why you made your first 10,000 so fast, because high income skills, like, they so high demand. But that's the thing, people they don't know how to do it. And it's just like that blueprint that was inside of there. It's just like one of the type of things where it's just so self-explanatory. Not to like kind of spoil anything to anybody, but like I think it's good as well. Not even just because I rock with you, my student and everything, but I really think that it's a great blueprint. So, man, make sure you guys go check it out, man. This is the end of the video. Once again, you guys go subscribe to this channel at Trey Scales. It's also going to be in the link in the description. You guys go follow his Instagram as well. So.
Man, sorry I didn't have too much to say this video, y'all. I was trying to soak in the information, take in what I could. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all smash that like button, hype up the video, and catch y'all in the next one, Money Nation.